So what's up, my people? It's your boy King here once again with another update. So as you can see in my account, I'm currently having 5,000 points over here, and this is my Airdrop account. So you don't need to do much. All you have to do is just sign up with the link in the description of this video. First of all, know that this project is a very big project and it's something that you don't need to miss. Secondly, it's very easy to use and it's very easy to interact with. All you have to do is to sign up with the link in the description of this video, confirm your email address. You don't even need to do any KYC now. Plus, please don't do multiple accounts because they might restrict you in the future. So what you have to do is to select a good account, and then every single day do the same thing that I'm about to do on this video. First of all, once you're done signing up, verifying accounts and other thing, come back to this account every single day and claim your first day reward by clicking on claim now. And as you can see, I just got 86 pieces of 86 points, so making it total of 5,094 points. And this is the second thing you need to do on this particular project. Click on this particular mission side over here and click on this daily competition over here, then click on start today's quiz. It's going to take you to where it's going to ask you for this information: which node maintains the history of the state change of all blocks. I'm not that lighted on this, but I'm gonna try my best. And with the information I got, the answer is this particular second option, which is achieve node. And if I click on submit, you see that I just nailed it and I got myself 100 pieces of points, and that is all for the day. So the next thing, this is the third thing you need to be doing, you need to do on this particular project, which is very simple also, because I promise you guys that this project is very simple to interact with and use. So if you go over to this place now, you can see that my points now increased to 5,194 pieces. So first of all, know that if you come into this place, log into your account and answer a quiz for 7 good days, they're gonna reward you with a good bonus. And then what you have to do now is to go over to your section and then click on the wallets for you to see how it's got. So it's going to show you over your points and daily reward and quiz reward and other things. So if you click on this mission over here, you see where it says friends card. So this is where you will have to do another task. So but you can also follow them on Twitter for 500 points by clicking on this once over here. It's going to ask you to get a reward for connecting your Twitter account. But as consider, it says mission temporarily on hold. So when the mission is there again, you can complete it. But let's go over to this particular side, which is one of the last things you even need to do on this project to be earning every single day from it. So if you click on this particular place that says friends card, it's very simple, but it's not compulsory. Go over to click on share your link and share your link to anybody that can sign up with your link. That is if you can get referrals. But if you can't get referrals, just sign in every day and contest on the quiz for you to get your daily rewards. So for those of you that want to share or can take your chances of getting referrals, click on this particular place that says share your link. It's going to ask you, it's going to bring out where you share your link, then copy it over here and then head over to wherever you can get referrals. I'm going to give you guys a quick bonus on that side. But if this is your first time coming over to my channel, all I need you to do is to go over to any of this video. When you're watching up my video, please do me this favor: click on this particular subscribe button and help this my channel reach 5k subscribers. I really want you guys, I really need you guys to do it for me. Help me reach 1k subscribers, and then don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop any good and simple update like this. Remember, I don't share projects that is going to waste your time, so you don't have anything to lose by subscribing to my channel if you're a new user. And also don't forget to drop a like and tell me whatever you think in the comments section. First is you going over to YouTube, Facebook, and if you don't have a Facebook, and just create a Facebook account and you see groups like this, you can go ahead and share your referral link, show them some reason why they need to join the project and how legit the project is. And trust me, people are going to sign up with your link once they found it informative and profitable. And secondly is this particular Web3 social media app. That is social media app in the crypto world, in the blockchain, that is going to be helping you to be getting referrals also. And not just getting referral, you can also be getting reward for using the social media app. The app is Republic and the link to it is in the description of this video. You can check out my videos on it on how to use Republic to post your things and also get reward. As for me, I'm getting I'm currently having 6.3k 6,350 pieces of their ISP token, and they are talking about as dropping us their ISRSP, their Republic token, as reward in exchange of this our SP reward for doing the things. And also, if you log into the account for straight 7 days, they're gonna reward you with a mystery box. And I think I've given you guys the valuable information you need on this particular project. For more information, you can go over to my YouTube channel and watch it. Go over to the other social media handles, and get more information on it. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.